how to fix unable to connect to Nvidia. So the little arrow that pops out, there's a few things you could try to potentially stop this from happening. So the first thing you could try is just go ahead and search for your device managers. It should just be here. Once you search for it, press on device manager, and over here you're gonna go ahead and look for your display driver. So go ahead and find that in wherever your device manager is. It should be alphabetical, but it's right below this drivers in my case. So display adapters, look for the Nvidia GeForce or anything that says Nvidia. So what you're gonna do is just choose that one. You can right click and just update that driver. You can go ahead and choose from whichever way you can update for the driver. You could search automatically for drivers. So Windows will search for your computer for the best available drivers and install it on your device. This is much better since it's automatic, but you can also browse your computer for drivers as well. So locate and install a driver manually. But since we want the latest one, you can go ahead and choose the automatically option. So press on that and it should do the process for you. Another option you can do is to open your services.msc. So to do this, just go ahead and press on your Windows key and then the R key at the same time, and you're gonna have to type in services and then .msc. Press on OK, and this little thing will pop out over here. Click on anything over here to directly bring you to the Nvidia. Just press on N so that it brings you to the N section. So you can go ahead and reset whichever usually makes the error, but most of the time it's the Nvidia display container ls. So go ahead and press on that one, right click and just press on restart. Windows will attempt to start the restart process. Just go ahead and do that. But once you do that, I keep saying the word, but you can go ahead and do another option. So go ahead to your search over here and search for the control panel. So in your control panel, you're gonna go ahead and find your Nvidia. Go ahead into your programs over here and find your Nvidia if you have it, of course. So go ahead to programs and features. It's gonna go ahead and load, but find your Nvidia, and you can go ahead and try uninstalling and then installing each and every single one of this. So it's basically just a reinstall to do a little reset for the program. So go ahead and right click, uninstall. You can do this one by one as well. You don't have to do it all at the same time, but every time you uninstall, you restart and reinstall the specific Nvidia program. But you can go ahead and see if that works for you. But those are a few options you can try to potentially help you from getting the error. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.